been given a question, x to the power of 3 equals 36, then what is x equals to? Now this is a very simple exponential equation. How we can solve this is, you should know, let's keep it in mind. Let's note something, that whenever you have something like this, x to the power of x is equal to, I can donate it with n to the power of n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. If n is greater than or equal to 1, you can apply. Therefore, you can say x is equal to n. Now, the question what we have is, x to the power of 3 is equal to 36. So, we are going to cube both sides. Cubing both sides. Alright? So, what are we going to get when we cube both sides? So, let me write it that again. Whole cube is equal to 36 can be written as 6 squared whole cube. Alright, so we have cubed both sides. Now we're going to apply this. A to the power of m over n is equal to a to the power of mn. Whenever you have power to power, you multiply the powers, and as well you can reverse the powers, n or m. Yes, so we're going to apply this one now. So we have x to the power of 3, bring it inside, whole to the power of, we have x to the power of 3 is equal to 6 squared. Now power to power, we will multiply the powers, so 6 to the power of 6. Now what you can see, we have x cube, base, same power. Is that right? So we can equate that. X cube is equal to 6. Now we just want the value of x, so taking cube root on both sides. Cube root of x cube is equal to 6. So this and this will get cancelled. So we'll have, cube root of 6. So we have x is equal to cube root of 6. Now this is what we got. Let's check if our answer is right. To check what we have to do, we need to check if that is right or wrong. So to check, let's put this back. X to the power of 3 was equal to 36. Let's put it back in the question. So we have cube root of 6 as x. Again we have cube root of 6 as a power. Then we have the exponent 3. That's what we have, which is equal to 36. This cube and cube root gets cancelled. So you have cube root of 6 whole to the power of 6 left is equal to 36. Is that right? Alright. Now what we have is, this is the power and this is the root. So whenever you have something like this, this is the root and this is the power. So it will be a to the power of m over n. So this is the power and this is the root. Power is always in the numerator and root is always in the denominator. So we're going to apply that. So here what we have is 6 to the power of 6 over 3 is equal to 36. So this can be cancelled out. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 square is equal to 36. Yes. So therefore x is equal to cube root of 6. That's our answer.